Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we help you find the best and most affordable rooms for rent under $150 per week. If you're searching for budget-friendly accommodation options, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore a variety of rooms available for rent at unbeatable prices. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or simply looking for a cost-effective living solution, we've got you covered. Our featured rooms are not only affordable but also provide a comfortable and convenient living experience. We understand the importance of a cozy space where you can relax and recharge after a long day. That's why we prioritize showcasing rooms that offer a pleasant ambiance and necessary amenities. The room comes furnished with a comfortable bed, mattress, pillows, and essential furniture such as a wardrobe, desk, and chair. The room has its own private bathroom equipped with a shower, toilet, and sink. It provides convenience and privacy for the tenant. High-speed internet connection is available in the room. The room is equipped with an air conditioning system and/or heating unit to ensure a comfortable living environment throughout the year. A television set is provided in the room for entertainment purposes. Tenants have access to a shared or private kitchen, depending on the arrangement. The kitchen is equipped with essential appliances such as a stove, refrigerator, microwave, and cooking utensils. The rental price covers basic utilities such as electricity, water, and gas, ensuring that tenants do not have to worry about separate bills. The room may have its own lock and key, providing an extra layer of security for the tenant's belongings. Additionally, the property may have security measures in place, such as surveillance cameras or a secure entry system. If available, a parking space or permit may be provided for tenants with vehicles, ensuring convenience and peace of mind. The room may be located near essential amenities such as grocery stores, pharmacies, restaurants, public transportation, parks, or recreational facilities, making it convenient for tenants. For more info or to rent rooms at this price in your destination, go to globalhotelfinder.com. The link is mentioned in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.